Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you how to fix your Spotify not loading or crashing on your mobile. Is Spotify app not loading or keeps on crashing on your phone? Here are some quick fixes. First of all, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot clears temporary glitches. Next, you'll have to go ahead and check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if Spotify works better. Next, just go ahead and clear your Spotify's cache. Go ahead and open your settings app and then go ahead and search storage. Scroll down and click on the option of Spotify. Next, just hit the option of offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app. Next, now if that also didn't help, go ahead and open your app store or play store and then go to search and search for Spotify. Next, see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, if that also didn't help, you just have to delete and reinstall the app Spotify for with your latest bug fixes and new updates. That's it. These steps and your Spotify should run and smooth again. Now, I hope this video helped you get back into your Spotify account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.